What's up friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this brand new video. Do you want to promote ClickBank products for free? Do you want to make money on ClickBank? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to create account on ClickBank, how to choose the best product from ClickBank, and how to get the best buyer traffic from for buying these ClickBank products. Okay guys, I will show you step by step everything. So if you are a newbie, you are an expert, it doesn't matter. This tutorial is perfect for you. So guys, I am Rajabhadro, affiliate marketer of ClickBank, JVZoo and many other affiliate networks and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. Now see the best part why you should prefer this method. Okay, you see here why you prefer this method. At the first, I want to say, if you follow this method you can start the ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, then you can make 50 per day using this simple free method. Okay, and it's 100% free traffic, and you don't need any website to apply this method. You don't need make any videos to apply this method, and you just need on our task daily. Okay, if you don't believe me, watch this video and apply this method. After that you will if you face any problem, then comment in the comment box. I am always here. And if you think you need it over 1 hour per day, then you can comment here. Okay, so let's focus all the method. Then no review writing needed. Okay, then you don't need any previous marketing skills. Okay, then get a result fast. Get result fast, that means not you will get result after watching this video. Okay, you have to follow the method, you have to follow the right ways. Okay, then you will get results, and it's totally beginner friendly. If you are a newbie, you don't have any working skill, you don't have any marketing skill, it doesn't matter. I will show you a step by step, so you can do it. And you don't need to run any ad campaigns, so it's 100% free. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you step by step everything. But the first thing is fast. If you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Rajabhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JVZoo method, Warrior Plus method, DG Store method, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket offers, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. And if you are interested to make big money online, okay, over 10,000 per month, then you can check my recommend number on recommendation, or you can check my video description here. You see, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission here. You can get it, and you know it. Traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make money. Otherwise, you never make a single dollar. So you can check it, get unlimited buyer traffic. You can check it. So guys, be ready to apply this method. Okay, I will show you step by step everything. So if you have already an ClickBank account, then it's fine, and if you don't have ClickBank account, then visit clickbank.com. Okay, visit clickbank.com, then simply sign up your ClickBank account. Just it's 100% free to join. Okay, just put your country name, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, put your password, then continue term and condition by clicking here and join ClickBank. Okay, after joining ClickBank, your first step has been completed. And if you face any problem, any trouble to join in ClickBank, then you can join Digistore 24. You see here, it's Digistore 24. It's another alternative of ClickBank. You can register here simply. It's all over the worldwide. It's also worldwide open affiliate network. So you can join here. Okay. Now, after creating your account, you have to log in into your ClickBank account. Okay. Your first step has been completed. You see some of my ClickBank uh, earning. Now, after logging into your ClickBank account, you can visit the marketplace to choose your promoting offers, promoting products. At the same, after creating your Digistore account, you can find out your promoting offers in the product in the marketplace on Digistore. Okay. Now you have to choose your promoting products here. You see here all the categories. Now I will show you how to promote health and fitness products. Okay, just simply click this health and fitness. You see here all the health and fitness products here. Okay, okay, you see all the health and fitness product here. Okay, now is all the health and fitness. Now if you want to more specific, then you can search here weight loss. Okay, you see you all the weight loss product. You see all the weight loss product. Okay, all the weight loss product. Now after choosing your product, suppose you want to product this, you want to promote this product, new unique weight loss method. Okay, just simply click the promote. Or for choosing ClickBank products, I recommend you to follow few steps here. You see here, here is the initial conversion. You see initial conversion, you see recurring or rebuild, you see gravity score. Then at the first you have to focus on gravity score. Gravity score means how much affiliates sell this product. Okay, if you see the high gravity score, then this product is good, this product is perfect to promote. Okay, and then you will get the, you see here affiliate page, you will get all the info about this product. Okay, so you can choose any of the weight loss product, any of the weight loss product. You see to 2020 new weight loss offers, 1 minute weight loss, you see here brand new. Then so you see a lot of weight loss products here. Or if you don't specific weight loss, then just visit all the health and fitness. Okay, then you will get all the health and fitness related product here. And you know it, you see this custom keto diet, and you see the gravity score is so much high in this keto diet. Now I want to promote this custom keto diet product. Okay, just simply click the promote button to get your affiliate link. Okay, just you see here generate your hope link, just click it and get your affiliate link. Now you have to promote this link, you have to generate traffic to drive this link and click this link, and if anyone click this link, buy this product, you can make ClickBank commission. At the same, in the case of Digistore, you will get the product, then at the bottom of this product you will get this promote button, just click the promote button and get your affiliate link in the case of Digistore. Okay, now you have to promote this link, and for promoting this link, the most important part. Now in this video I will show you the traffic part. If you have traffic, then you can make money online. Okay, you can promote ClickBank product and make ClickBank commission. Not only the health and fitness product, if you want to promote any affiliate offer, if you want to promote any CPA offer, you must need traffic. Traffic is the most important, almost everything for traffic. You have to do everything for traffic. You can choose any affiliate network like ClickBank, DGS Store, Market Health, etc. You can choose any of the offer, any of the product. It doesn't matter. But where is your traffic? You have to do everything for generating traffic. And if you can generate traffic once, then you can make sales. Okay, now I will show you how you can generate traffic for free. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I can assure you, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's my guarantee. Okay, fine. And if you have any question about this method, how to promote ClickBank products for free, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question. If you don't understand any part of this video, I don't hesitate to comment here. Okay, I will solve it. Okay, now be ready to generate traffic for free. Okay, at the first, for this you have to visit this website SlideShare. Do you already heard this name, this SlideShare? And you have to use this PDF sharing website. You don't need to share PDF here, okay, but you can use this PDF sharing website. You promoting health and fitness products. Okay, just search here weight loss. You see here a lot of 9,998 weight loss PDF here. Huge, huge, huge. If you use any of the PDF for per day, then you can use 9,998 days. That means how much year? Okay, now you have to choose any of the PDF here. You can choose any of the PDF here, but I recommend you to choose a CASI PDF, CASI titles PDF. Okay, you see here medical weight loss centers of America. Okay, weight loss forums for police. Okay, 10 steps to weight loss and wellness. Wait, okay, fine. Now if I want to get this PDF, okay, fine, just click this PDF. Then you don't need to read this PDF. You are not a customer of this PDF. Okay, you have to download this PDF to use this PDF. Okay, now just simply where is the download button? Okay, if I simply language US, okay, you will get the option of downloading. Okay, you see here I already download this PDF. Okay, I already download this PDF. For this reason I don't see this option, but if you don't download, then you see here the download option. Okay, just simply click the download button and simply download it. You don't need to buy it. Okay, you don't need to buy it. Just create account on SlideShare. Okay, and just click account on SlideShare using your Facebook or using your LinkedIn. Okay, just after that just download this PDF. Okay, after downloading this PDF you have to get the content and you have to use the content. You don't have no idea about weight loss, and for this reason you have to use this PDF to make content. Okay, so after completing your download, you have to use this content, and for this use site Google. Okay, visit site Google. It's one of the part of site Google, and you don't need to create any website, you don't need to build any website. And why you need site Google? If you use site Google, then you don't need to buy any website, but you will get all the benefits of a website using site Google. Then another important thing, inside site Google, inside site Google, a lot of customer already available. So if you make any post on site Google, then you get some traffic, but it's not a totally overnight program, totally overnight method. You have to make a post here on the daily basis. You see here how much content, how much weight loss content here, 9,000. How much content? 9,900. So you have to make a post on the daily basis. Okay, every day I suggest you, every day make a single post here. Okay, and see how much easy to make post here. Okay, just visit site Google, and you see here project. You have to create a project. Open this project. I will show you everything. Okay, don't worry, I will show you everything. Open this project. Now you have to create a project first. You can, you see, you can change your logo here. Okay, if you edit this logo, then you can edit your logo and use any of the weight loss related images here. Okay, fine, I don't want to waste time here. Now put your name of your project. Okay, best health tips 2020. Okay, you can put your project name as your own wish. You can get idea from any YouTube channel name, any website. Okay, or you can put it as your own. Okay, just complete your project name. Okay, fine, then publish your project, and it will be your website. Okay, it will be your website, the best health tips 2021. Okay, that's it. Okay, so at first you have to create your project. Now go the home page of site Google, and you see here here is your project. Just open this project. Now you have to start posting here. Okay, fine, you see here is your project. Now see here the page option. Okay, see here the page option, and create here a new page. Okay, and here you have to put your title. You see what's the name, 10 steps to lose weight, and open it and get the title. Okay, it's your title. Okay, fine, put your title. You can make all the bold. Don't worry, I will show you everything. If you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, anyone can apply it, anyone can do it. There is no difficulties, and don't want to get overnight result. Okay, no method works for overnight. You have to, and when you use any solid method, then you have to grow it day by day. If you think to get overnight result, then every marketer, 100% of marketer like you get overnight result, but it's not possible. Okay, so continue your task on the daily basis, and you don't need to invest so many time here. Okay, you can apply multiple method. Just it's one of the part of this method. Just make a one post per day. It's my request, it's my recommendation. Okay, after here is your title, you see, then done. You see here, it's your title. Okay, now you have to create, you have to design your post, you have to create your post here. Okay, fine. Where is my PDF? Okay, you see here, I download this PDF. You see, 10 simple steps for weight loss and wellness. Okay, and you see here, here is my title, and I can cut it. 10 steps to you see 10 steps to for weight loss and wellness. Okay, now you have to put all the content here. Just copy it and paste it. Just copy and paste. Just copy and paste. Okay, now see here the insert. The say get go here the insert, then here is the text box. Okay, now I recommend you to size your content into your text, new text document. Okay, like this I put it all the, you see here I have all the 10 tips here. Weight loss tips, weight loss tips number one, you see here weight loss tips number one. I put it all the 10 tips, all the 10 tips, you see here all the 10 tips, 6 7 8 9 10, all the 10 tips I put into my text document. But if you if you ask me why you put it into your text document, but if you see, if you copy from, if you copy it, if you copy it and paste here, then you see here, here is that text format doesn't work. Okay, and for this I recommend you to size it into your text document first, like this. Now if you copy it from, just simply copy it and insert your text document, you see here it look like fine. Now you can size your font. If you want to make a large, if you want to uh, put a normal text, if you want to, if you change any of the front. Okay, you can change any of the front, then you can bold it, you can italic it. Okay, now another text box, then tips number two. Okay, now text box three. I am showing the complete tutorial, complete post. Okay, so you don't need to. If you want to make it on the middle, then you can choose the middle. Okay, make it on middle, center, that means center. Okay, now at text box 5, tips number 5, it's just simply copy paste. I just copy and paste it. Okay, all of my task has been already completed, just copy and paste here. Okay, now you can put all the 10 tips here like this on. I don't want to ask my video length, video watch time. Okay, that's it. And at the every page inside the post, you can add your call to action. Okay, call to action means you have to make any call to action here. Where is the see the affiliate link here, and you can put here join okay, you can put it join quick weight loss program here, and put your affiliate link. Just copy this link, insert this link, just copy this link, and you can add more call to action. Loss 10 kg in just 10 days. Okay, now suppose all of your post has been completed. Now you have what you have to do, just you see here the publish button. Okay, see the publish button here, just complete. After completing your post, just complete the see the published. Okay, you can see the preview. Okay, you see here is your title and all the post here. Okay, now publish it. That's it. And if you see the view, then it's your post. Okay, that's it. You can enlarge your font, you can change your logo. Okay, and I recommend you just make a post every day, and it's so much easy and so much simple. You don't need any skill, you don't need any marketing skill. Just simply visit this slideshare and download any of the weight loss health related PDF, then copy your PDF into your text document and make a post on site Google. Okay, after publishing this post, you see your post look like this. Okay, you can get traffic insight from site Google, and day by day when you make post on the daily basis, day by day you get rank on Google. Okay, you get rank on Google. I can assure you, I can guarantee you. Okay, a lot of marketer do it. And if you have website like me, I have already my health and related make my health and fitness related website. If you have website, then you can post on, into your website, and if you don't have website, then you can use this site Google. Okay, that's it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with other people, with your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You see here. And if you want to get unlimited buyer traffic, then you can check one of my recommendation. It's a best product from ClickBank. Okay, so guys, I want to repeat all the method once again. At the first, you have to choose your affiliate network. It may be ClickBank, or it may be, or it may be health, it may be DGS24, or it may be Market Health. Okay, after choosing and creating your affiliate network account, then you can choose your best products to promote, and you have to choose the health and fitness product from ClickBank. From visiting the ClickBank marketplace, and you see all the product from here, then you have to do everything for generating traffic. And at the first, you have to visit this website SlideShare. You can get a lot of PDF, health and fitness related PDF here. Just download the PDF and get the content and make post on site Google. Okay, after publishing your post, if you want to make new post, then visit the site Google. You see, it's your project. Open your project. Okay, after that, you see the page, and you see already on page here, on post here. Now if you want to post another post, if you want to make another post, then create the page, it's your title, then make another post and publish. And I recommend you make minimum one post per day. It's for better to get the best result. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of helpful content. I can assure you, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, that's it.